Hello and welcome to this new video. Friends, in this video we will see a function f of x which is continuous in open interval a comma b. Then the integration of f of x can be written as sum of f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus n minus 1 h. So this is the definition of an definite integral where the integration is converted into sum of the values of the function and with limit h tends to 0 h into this value. H is nothing but b minus a divided by n. We have divided this range of this function b minus a into n equal parts, and that parts is called as a h. So whenever h is a small, h is tending to 0, the definite integral is converted into the limit of sum of the function. On your screen you can watch this definition of the function. If f of x is a continuous in the interval f a comma b, where a and b are finite and a is less than b, then we define definite integral f of x by the equation integration a to b f of x limit h tends to 0 h into in bracket f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h plus f of a plus n minus 1 h. This is an important part of the definite integral where we have converted this definite integral into the sum of the values of the function. Now using this definition we will see examples, how we can solve examples using this integral and how we will evaluate the definite integral using this definition. Now here for you I am writing the same definition once again here so that you can watch it continuously and remind it. Limit h tends to 0 h into f of a plus f of a plus h plus it is goes up to a plus n minus 1 into h. And what is a h? B minus a equal to n into h. Let us take example so that your idea will be clear. Suppose we want to evaluate integration of x cube between the limit 0 to 2. Then what is our a? A is 0, b is 2 and f of x equal to x cube. 2 minus a, 2 minus a, b minus a, 2 minus 0 equal to n into h or nh equal to 2. Let us find these different values. F of a, f of 0, f of 0 equal to 0, obviously 0 cube equal to 0. F of 0 plus h, f of 0 plus h, that is f of h, f of h cube. F of a plus 2h, that is f of 0 plus 2h equal to f of 2h equal to 2h cube. Similarly, f of 0 plus n minus 1 into h equal to f of n minus 1 into h equal to n minus 1 whole cube into h cube. These are the values. Then let us put these values in. Therefore integration 0 to 2 x cube into dx equal to limit h tends to 0 h into f of a, f of 0 plus f of 0 plus h plus f of 0 plus n minus 1 into h. equal to limit h tends to 0 h into f of 0 0 plus h f of h 1 cube into h cube plus f of 0 plus 2h 2 cube into h cube plus n minus 1 cube into h cube. First term is a 0 and every term of this sum contain h cube. Hence we can take h cube common. Let us take that h cube common. Now previous we have already one h here and therefore this h cube come from this interval and this and h and this h cube we will get h raised to 4 and then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus n minus 1 cube. Okay, but friend, we have a formula summation of n cube equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. This is a summation of n cube. Hence we can apply this. Therefore integration 0 to 2 x cube into dx equal to limit h tends to 0 h raised to 4 into what is our n here? N is n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 and whole square equal to limit h tends to 0 h raised to 4 and you can see that here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled and we have n into n minus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Now let us make small adjustment so that the integration will gives us a definite values. We adjust this h raised to 4 in the order that we can put the value of h n h. Okay, then n square h square and n h minus h whole square divided by 4 here 2 square 4. Okay, but 2 minus nh equal to what? Nh equal to 2. So this will be 2 square, that is 4. 2 minus h, this is in the limit h tends to 0 limit h tends to 0. 2 minus h whole square divided by 4 will be cancelled. Let us apply the limit h tends to 0, this will be 2 square and 2 square equal to 4. Hence integration of x cube between the limit 0 to 2 equal to 4. Let us see whether it is correct or not. We evaluate as our traditional method. Integration of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by 4 between the limit 0 to 2 and we know that at 2 it is a 0, at 0 it is 0, so upper limit 2 raised to 4 divided by 4, 2 raised to 4 is a 16 divided by 4 is a 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Hence you observe that we get a same answer as that of our traditional method. Hence this process will gives us another technique of evaluating and another idea of how an integration is converted into sum of the values of the function. We take another example. Let us evaluate integration of sine theta into d theta between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Now watch here, what is a is a 0, what is our b is a pi by 2, then b minus a equal to b minus a equal to b, and what is b? B is pi by 2 equal to n into h. Now what are the values f of 0? F of 0 equal to function. What is my function? Function f of x, f of theta equal to sine theta. Hence when theta equal to 0, sine theta, we have sine of 0. Sine of 0 equal to 0. F of 0 plus h, that is f of h, f of h equal to sine of h. F of 0 plus 2h equal to f of 2h equal to f of equal to sine of 2h. Can you predict the last value? F of 0 plus n minus 1h, n minus 1 into h equal to sine of n minus 1 into h. Now it is mechanical part to put the values in that formula. Sine theta into d theta equal to limit h tends to 0, h into f of 0, 0 plus f of 0 plus h, that is f of h, sine h plus f of 0 plus 2h, that is sine of 2h plus sine of n minus 1 into h. And this is the standard sine series. We put the value of this sine series. Sine of this is 0, first value 0 plus 1 divided by 2 n minus 1 into h into sine of h by 2 divided by sine of h by 2. This is the sine series, sum of the sine series. Now let us make the adjustment. This is our limit h tends to be clear. So let us therefore we write it is 2 into h by 2. Okay. Now sine of, okay friend, this is we have used the standard form of sine series. Now this is 1 by 2 into n into h minus h into sine of here nh, sine of nh divided by 2 and divided by sine of h by 2. Again we know that limit of sine theta divided by theta when theta tends to 0 equal to 1. If we take theta equal to h by 2, then this is a same as sine theta divided by theta and its limit is equal to 1 in the limiting case, and nh. So let us apply this limit. Here we directly apply limit 2 into nh. What is our nh? nh is sine of this 1 by 2 into nh equal to pi divided by 2, h is 0 minus sine of pi divided by 2 whole divided by 2. Okay, and in the denominator we get 1, right? Therefore this is equal to 2 into sine of pi divided by 4 into sine of pi divided by 4 divided by 1. 2 into sine pi divided by 4 whole square. Sine pi divided by 4, sine pi divided by 4 is 1 divided by under root of 2. 1 divided by under root of 2, 1 divided by under root of 2, 2 into 1 divided by under root of 2 whole square, 1 divided by under root of 2 whole square, then root 2 will be 2 and 2 will get cancelled and our answer is then we get 1. So friend, in this video we have seen an important another technique of evaluating and definite integral, where the definite integral is written as a sum of the values of the function f of a plus h, f of a plus n minus 1h, and using This formula we have seen two examples how we can evaluate the integration as a sum of the function and how we can calculate the definite values of the function. I hope you will have get the clear idea of this definite integrations. Thank you for watching the video.